In this video, we're going to talk about how virtual lights are merging with on-set lights with CyberGaffer. You're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors, Blackmagic, View, and LucidLink for helping make our NAB coverage possible. And now, back to the video. All right, so Peter, tell me about CyberGaffer.
Yeah, so CyberGaffer is the lighting technique. So it is kind of unique because it's based on calibration. Once we have lighting set up in a studio, we need to calibrate it to let the software to know how the light behaves in this environment. So it includes all secondary reflections. For instance, if we have a light source on top of the actor, it will not only emit, let's say, white light from the top, it will also emit green light, like in this case, from the bottom. And this is the effect of this light fixture. By combining these effects from every channel of every light fixture, CyberGaffer can precisely reconstruct the lighting given in the task, like in Unreal Engine, or from the HDRI panorama, or from the backplace. We have a technique to capture lights in physical locations. We use the same calibration sphere to do that. And we can basically, it's an easy way to capture lighting from the real locations and then to reconstruct it in green screen studios or LED volumes.
Okay, and so basically it is a way, like if you have your real lights on set, you synchronize your lights with CyberGaffer inside Unreal Engine or another 3D program, and then when you're manipulating the lights on the computer, it happens in reality.
Yes. So it's kind of different approach. Instead of moving lights and trying to make a great lighting, you now only operate in Unreal Engine. You move lights there, and your studio follows, always in sync with your Unreal Engine lights.
What would be your ideal studio? Just like kind of having a bunch of different light options, and then
around the actor. Yeah. So for better effect, we can use not only lights from the ceiling, but also floor lights. So how it works? So let's imagine we have white sky and floor, something like a concrete in virtual scene. And we want to create the same lighting. But in the studio, we have green floor. And the white light from the top in the virtual studio will return, let's say, 50% of every component, red, green, and blue. But in the green screen studio, it will return only one component, only green. And the software can use floor lights to add another components. So basically the floor lights will add magenta into this mix to have to eliminate green spill.
Okay, and so it can kind of calculate that and know what lights it needs to turn on or at what brightness.
Yes,
what's the calibration process like?
So we should place a calibration sphere in the middle of the studio and record a video while software playing the sequence on the light fixtures. Basically, it will turn on every channel for every light fixture, and the camera will record the sample, how the white sphere illuminated. Then the software will parse this video, split it into the segments, and use it with the right camera transform as a knowledge of the effects of every light source.
So is it currently out? Are people using it, or is it kind of in a beta? What's the status of CyberGaffer?
It is released.
Okay.
So we have our first customers, and it is, but it keeps evolving. So we're adding new features. About 2 weeks ago, we added a very new approach how to work with green screen. And CyberGaffer not only model the lighting on the actor, but also makes the background color as even as possible with the floor color. Common problem is the lighting here under the actor depends on main lighting, and the color of the wall depends on background lighting. Now CyberGaffer can control background lighting and make it as even as possible. So also during this process, it always knows the specific color of this background, and it will send it to the keyers, let's say to the Ultimate. And right now it works like that. We can send this color to the Ultimate, so you never need to repick the color from your background. It's always there.
Okay. And also, so right now we're also on the set of the demo with the Christie rear virtual projection and the Keynote MIMIK Lights. How does it integrate with kind of like a virtual, the MIMIK Lights and the virtual projection setup that we have here?
So the background projection, a kind of background displays of any kind. So it works mostly the same way as with any background displays, like LED volumes. For some cases, projection is more convenient, so it gives additional options. So for the background displays, it is important to match colors, not only between lights and camera, but between three, let's say, actors. Is background, camera, and lights. Also, in next version, we will next commercial release, we will provide this kind of calibration to match background display with the camera, with the lights. So you will never tweak the color grading pipeline again.
Okay. Where can people find out more, like your website and?
Yeah. So you can find all of the information on cybergaffer.com, and we have tutorials to how to work with this software and how to deal with plugin for Unreal Engine and a lot of different approaches.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to our sponsors for helping make our NAB coverage possible. For all of our videos on NAB, check out our playlist right here, and I'll catch you in the next episode.